Picture Windows Washington, D.C. is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their views and increase natural light. Our expert team specializes in custom window designs, ensuring each installation meets your unique aesthetic and functional needs. Whether you're in Capitol Hill or Georgetown, our energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. For those in DuPont Circle, our window replacement services offer a seamless transition from old to new, with minimal disruption to your daily life. Our residential window solutions in Adams Morgan cater to homeowners looking to upgrade their homes with the latest window technologies. Meanwhile, our commercial window services in Foggy Bottom provide businesses with durable and stylish window options. Window replacement experts in Anacostia are ready to address any issues, from minor replacements to major overhauls. Double-pane windows in Columbia Heights offer superior insulation, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor environment year-round. For those in Navy Yard, window frame upgrades can enhance both the appearance and performance of your windows. Insulated glass windows in Logan Circle are perfect for those seeking to improve energy efficiency and reduce noise pollution. Our picture windows. Washington Maintenance Services ensure your windows remain in top condition, extending their lifespan and performance. Petworth residents can benefit from our window sealing solutions, which prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. Window glass replacement in the U Street corridor is a cost-effective way to restore the clarity and function of your windows. Our window style consultation in Tenleytown helps you choose the perfect design to complement your home's architecture. Cleveland Park homeowners can rely on our window hardware installation for secure and functional windows. Woodley Park residents can take advantage of our window cleaning services to keep their windows sparkling and clear. Mount Pleasant offers window tinting options that provide privacy and reduce glare, while Brookland focuses on window noise reduction to create a peaceful indoor environment. Glover Park's window UV protection helps preserve your furnishings from sun damage. Window condensation solutions in West End address moisture issues that can lead to mold and damage. H Street Corridor's window security enhancements provide peace of mind with advanced locking systems and reinforced glass. Noma's window weatherproofing services protect your home from the elements, ensuring durability and comfort. Our window installation warranty in Southwest Waterfront guarantees quality and satisfaction with every project. Stay ahead of the curve with window design trends in Cathedral Heights, where innovation meets style. Calorama's window measurement services ensure a perfect fit for every window, maximizing performance and aesthetics. In Washington, D.C., our comprehensive window services cater to every need, from installation to maintenance and beyond. Trust our Picture Windows Washington team to deliver exceptional results, whether you're upgrading your home or enhancing your business's curb appeal. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, we are your go-to source for all things windows in the nation's capital.